What is up, the motorcycle cruiser? So I am back on my bike. Clearly, whole point of this video, part 3 now I think. So I got my keys this time with me, and I tried to start it, and for some reason it seems dead. I've disconnected that, but I connect this up. I get lights on and dash, but no start. Indicators don't work probably because there's no rear ones. The front ones come on solid but do not flash. So I'm a little bit nervous, but maybe because the battery is dead. Why don't I find an electrical testing device. We'll go to DC and we'll see what we're getting out of the battery. Go down this side. Dun dun dun. We'll go to the live, we go to the neutral. What do we got going out? Just under 12 volts. So there's juice there. Just very nervous why it's not starting. Got my indicator lights. So that's what I'm doing in the back just now. I want to actually test them out. I'll have to recrimp the cable. What else I've got? Chain, sprockets, and spark plug. That's that workshop manual. Problem is my stand that I bought doesn't fit because of my exhaust. My exhaust is in the way for the pad to sit on this, so I think the exhaust needs to come off. Cool. Then I'll get that up, but first I'm trying to do this. So I need to recrimp the ends of these, changing out the buds and everything so they just boom, 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 connect together. So my main plans for tonight is test out these indicators, make sure they work. I might have to take the exhaust off now so I can get it up and get the wheel off, because the plan is to get the chain and sprocket sorted out. The rear wheel opened up. I wanted to have a look at that for the rear brake, maybe clean it up, have a look at it, change it. Yes, we got some flashing. Woo! So here's the original ones, big bulky things, if you can see them I hope. And then the new little auto ones. There it is, so the flashing does work. Horn doesn't work, but now when it's indicating, those lights are flashing too. Right, connected up. Power. No start. Kill switch. Fuck! I did it again. Oh my god. That deserves a clap. You kill switch. Oh my god. Alright. Get rid of that. Right? Oh, you screw you, kill switch. Kill switch is that. Okay, so we've got some life. Fuck you, kill switch. Okay, so this is wanting to turn over. That is cool. Fucking kill switch. Okay, lights work, that works, so now let's go work on the exhaust. Damn it, kill switch. Can you believe I've done that again? What an idiot. How embarrassing is that? Right, let's try this. Exhaust, please come off easily enough. I've got a feeling something's going to snap. I was happy to come off, but it's just... Didn't realise how hard it was to get a freaking exhaust off the bike. This part was stuck in the top earlier before on one motovlog that I did. I think it was like that Sunday ride when I had problems with my exhaust. It had snapped off. So I'm just being careful because I can't tell if these are welded on or if they're actually threaded on somewhere. Because I don't want to be snapping these. I'm hoping this just goes back on. Yeah, the seal's broken anyway. So I'm gonna have to replace that. Let's try take 2 and see if I can get this thing jacked up. freaking better. Wasted like an hour pissing about with almost an hour. Right, cheap thing from eBay. Let's see if you're gonna do what I need you to do. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is a lot harder than I thought. Okay. That's it. And already the rubber bit broke. It was sat under there. Goodied. Because the exhaust sat right where that red bit was, so haha, I knew I was right. So, two things here tonight. Fuck you, kill switch, and exhaust. Let's actually do some work. Where do I start? I need to take the chain off first, huh? I don't even know where the clip is, so I think I'm just gonna have to try and break any of these off, if possible. Right, rear brake in the process of coming off. Finally got it. Oh, that's for the brake. That's for that bit there. Be careful because the nut's still in that. And that's the brake. Shoot. Will you take me home? Just pull the chain off like that. It's stuck. That's the chain off. That was easy. Still. Spider! Spin spider! Whoa! Need to support the wheel. It's so difficult. Woo! Getting there, boys. Getting there. Hot diggity dogs. This top one snapped as well. Where's the torch? This is not great if it's snapped. Should just come off, and then hopefully I've got the cold and I'm not in the mood. I'm just like, bleh. I'm gonna call it a night. It's after 9 o'clock at night and I am tired and I'm still full of the cold or whatever, so I'm happy I got my wheel off. I got that done and I need to check out the brakes. Once my dad comes home, once he's out, I'll settle him what he thinks. I don't know about this sprocket though, it's a tricky one. I can get these bolts out, then I get this plate out, which is fine. And I keep looking at this one, and it's, I don't understand, this slips on, there's grooves here, which is the grooves there. I don't know if this sprocket twists and then comes off or what. So I'm gonna have to look into that. But I'm really just not in the mood for it tonight. Have a fresh start with it tomorrow. I'm not at work, so I can come in, start that wheel, brake. I think I'm gonna buy some stuff offline tonight to get my gasket sealed for the clutch. I need that. I need another sprocket cover because that broke that one time I was out. But I'm really just tired and wanting to go home, so I'm gonna tidy up and go. So, part 3.